Hi everyone, I am here to talk about deep cleaning your cloths. This is something you should probably do 2 to 3 times a year, depending on how much you use your cloths and if they start getting real smelly. Personally, I've never had smelly cloths until now, and I think a lot of it's because of too much soap. So what I'm doing today is a little experiment. I've got my sink here soaking. This is hot water and Norwex laundry or microfiber laundry boost. So I've got that soaking, filled it up with hot water, put a scoop of the laundry boost in, and agitated it with my tongs. Just mixed it around. I'm letting them sit until the water cools. In this other bucket, I have a scoop of the powder laundry detergent and got a kettle of boiling water that I'm going to use. Let that dissolve. But I think part of the problem was we were at the family cottage this weekend and people are still trying to wrap their head around the Norwex cloths and what can be used with soap and why do we need soap. And I've got the netted dish cloths out there to really wash dishes with. The kitchen cloth, you can just wet and wipe down surfaces, but a lot of them got used for dishwashing. So I think a lot of the soap, even though it's a free and clear liquid dish soap, it's still getting stuck in these fibers. So in the bucket, I am going to put some of these cloths as well as some towels. I found a couple of my towels were not absorbing the way they should, but just seems like a few of them are a little dirty. Got a little smelly. I'm going to add some more boiling water to that. Another pot of boiling water. Put that right on top. So the bucket's pretty full. And I'm just going to agitate this one too. And then what you're going to want to do is rinse them all really well. So I will rinse them and then wash them and put them in the dryer. So we will follow up after I'm done with this. Okay, we're back and I've taken all the cloths out of the laundry boost, the microfiber laundry boost, and put them in this pot. And look, and you can see how disgustingly dirty that water is because our microfiber just holds on to everything. It absorbs everything. So this is why you want to deep clean. So right now, I am going to drain this. I'm going to fill this up with hot water again. And with the microfiber laundry boost, and let it soak again until it cools. So I am going to do the same thing. I will be back in a minute and show you the water in the bucket. Okay, I am back. I took the cloths out of the bucket and you can see how nasty that looks. I'm going to dump that bucket. I'm going to boil some more water to put over those cloths to let them sit till the water cools. I'm going to rinse them out before I put them in the bucket just to release some of that. So I will be back to show you how I'm doing.